Hello friends, in this video we will learn how exactly a intrusion prevention system works step by step in a step-by-step way. So imagine that you are a bouncer at a high security party. Only instead of people, you're checking incoming data packets for suspicious activity. So that's essentially what an IPS does. Here is a detailed breakdown. That is, you will check each and everything and then only let it in. So the party starts, the traffic enters the network, data packets, you can imagine them as a guest, arrive from the internet eager to join the party, that is your network. They first meet the bouncer. You can imagine the bouncer as a firewall who checks for obvious troublemakers known as a malicious traffic or malicious attackers or the hackers and sends them away. The IPS don't let them to enter the party itself. In the step 2, inspection at the door, router redirects the traffic. So the remaining guests pass through the router who acts like a helpful host, directing them to their intended destination or devices on the network. Step 3, the IPS, your vigilance security guard, is very active. This is where the real work begins. Each packet now faces the watchful eye of the IPS, that is your security guard. The IPS has a comprehensive list of known threats and attack patterns, like a detailed backlist. Like you can imagine, it has a hash code. Hash code is a unique code that recognizes each and every attack pattern. Yes, in the final step, the step 4, there is a careful examination, like matching the suspicious activity. The IPS meticulously analyzes each packet, comparing it against its backlist. It checks for the things like unusual packet size or type, specific attack signature, and exploits targeting vulnerabilities in devices. In the next step, the IPS take actions protecting the party. If the IPS found something suspicious, it doesn't hesitate to act. Block the packet like a firm bouncer. It throws the troublemaker out, preventing it from reaching its target device. Redirecting for investigation. Sometimes the IPS might suspect someone but needs more information. It sends the packet to a special security room for further analysis. So in the step 6, welcome to the party. Yes, the safe traffic gets through. If the IPS finds nothing suspicious, the packet gets a thumbs up and it's allowed to reach its intended device. So the party continues uninterrupted. So this is how the IPS works. Hope you enjoyed the video and understood step by step wise how exactly IPS works, because it is very essential to answer this in the interview, as you can face the questions on IDS and IPS and how does they work. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.